The things I do to get paid. Hello, welcome back to another fun-filled Easter edition of Snack Attack. This is Peep Show 6. Gloomy here. Giggles is not here today, but him and Buddy will be here at the end of this video, so stick around for that, a bonus Buddy segment. As always, for those of you who are just tuning in, the last 6 years we have tried various types of Peeps and Peeps related treats, toys, all kinds of Peep stuff, because Peeps has become a conglomerate. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, trying Peeps yet again. I hope someone has lots of insulin because this is a lot of sugar. Okay, so we have over here on this side pretty much just normal Peeps, over here other types of Peep related things. Buddy will be trying these at the end of the video. Milkbone flavored, or Peeps flavored Milkbones dog treats. So those are going to be for him here at the end of the video. Stick around for that. Also, before I get started, I want you to hit that like, I want you to hit that subscribe button, and alright, let's get started. What do we got over here? We got cotton candy flavored marshmallow, what? Peeps marshmallow flavored cotton candy. Okay, that's a lot to say. Let's try this first. So there's that. Marshmallow flavor. Trying the yellow. It's making a mess already. Very stiff cotton candy. Not sure where the marshmallow is, but it ain't there. So these are a no-go. Alright. Let's go ahead and try one of the Peeps flavors. These are frosted strawberry, Pop-Tarts frosted strawberry Peeps. They just can't give these like a simple name like blueberry Peeps or grape Peeps. It has to be Pop-Tarts yada 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 yada. Like, okay. Here we go. Frosted strawberry Pop-Tart something 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 Peeps. Try and get it open. Fine. They smell kind of weird. So the taste was there very mildly when I first bit into it, and then it just like poof, went away. Okay. Well, Pop-Tart strawberry frosted Peeps, I don't think you made the cut. Let's see, we got some stuff over here and some stuff over here. Don't want to try another one. Yeah, let's try these. These are Harry Potter Butterbeer Peeps. So, I have never actually tried. I know there's like sodas of Harry Potter, but I have never tried it myself, the Butterbeer, but I've never tried it myself. So this is new to me. I guess you gotta be a wizard to get this open. Lord! Okay. They gotta lose a fight with a marshmallow. Smell like pancake syrup. Again, I really don't even taste anything. It's okay, now I'm starting to taste it. I guess it's magic. Okay, I get it. Harry Potter. And then the taste comes later. Magic. Okay, I get it. They're okay. It's growing on me. It's kind of like bacteria. It's growing on me. The taste is there. Okay, yeah, these actually were pretty good. I will, now that the taste is kind of coming through. I don't know if they were specifically designed that way to maybe like, you're at first like, oh, these have no flavor. And then you're like, oh, these do have flavor. Poof, there it is. So those are interesting. Now we're gonna come over here. I am going to try. Okay, since you want to fall over, I'll try you first. Jerk. These are Hostess cupcakes, marshmallow flavored. I think, aren't they? No, I am wrong. Hostess cupcakes with marshmallow filling and icing. Interesting. I thought it was gonna be like flavored, but apparently not. Just come on. Tastes just like a regular. It tastes just like a regular Hostess cupcake. Okay, yeah, these didn't make the cut. So bye-bye. Ooh, what a mess. There is sugar everywhere all over this table if you can't see it. Okay. Those are cake bites, which makes me wonder if they're gonna taste kind of like that. Now, okay, we'll go ahead and just try these two. Peeps cake bites, marshmallow flavored cake. So here we go, we're gonna try these. I have never had cake bites, I've had cake pops, but never cake bites. So these are, I hope this ain't one. Oh, okay, 3 little ones in here, good. I thought it was gonna be like a giant one, like the size of a hot dog. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this is truly marshmallow flavor. I don't like the texture. Ugh. I do taste it. The texture is weird though. It's like biting into like if you tried to make like cake out of taffy. It's got this like weird that just that's the taste. So okay, so I've got dog treats over here, which like I said, at the end of the video, Buddy and Giggles will appear. And so I've got 2 of these left. I have Chili Lime Mango Peeps. Then I have Sunny D Peeps. I'm going to try the Chili Mango ones last, just because of the fact that if they are hot and spicy, it will probably be hard to get that flavor out of my mouth. So, here we go. Gonna try Sunny D Peeps. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh, that smells good. winner. Hands down, winner. Like, these are freaking delicious. Oh. No, like seriously, these are freaking delicious. These, oh my god, those are good. Those are freaking good. I'm gonna have to buy, like, I'm gonna have to stock up on those. So, I thought at first it was gonna be the butterbeer that was gonna be the winner, but no, it's definitely the Sunny D. So, Harry Potter, poof, be gone. Alright. And last, but not least, for this part of the video, chili lime mango Peeps. Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. Don't know how this is gonna go. I'm kind of scared to sniff it too. Okay, I can smell the mango. It smells good. It smells like an air freshener. This is gonna suck. Oh. The little bit of mango that you get at the beginning is good, but the little chili flakes are kind of gross. I'm having flashbacks of when we tried the ranch cotton candy. But you know what? That chili really opened up my nasal passages and like, oh, is this what being confident feels like? Oh, I feel good now. Wonder how long it's gonna last. Anyway, okay. Chili lime mango is a chili lime mango. Okay. So, yes, the winner, in my opinion, is the Sunny D Peeps, hands down. These were delicious. If you like Sunny D, or if you like orange, citrus flavored stuff, this is the one for you. Well, for me. I don't care what you eat, so I'm just telling you which ones I like best. Yes. So, now, stick around because here's Buddy. Oh yeah, they haven't arrived yet. Okay, sit tight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Buddy!
Buddy!
Oh, and Giggles.
Come here, hi!
Oh. Alright, buddy. How you been? It's been a long time. Can you look at the audience? Can you look at the audience?
Over there.
Look
here.
at them.
Look.
Okay, anyway.
I think he knows it's...
So Buddy is here today, and he is going to be trying the Milkbone marshmallow flavored Peeps dog treats.
Yes.
Do you see this? You know there's something in there.
Sounds like Scooby-Doo.
Alright. So, let's open these up. There are yellow and pink Milkbone treats. There's also yellow and pink bunnies and Peeps chicks. So, look at him getting antsy. You having withdrawals? Alright, let's try a pink one. You ready, buddy? Do you want it?
Maybe. I was just thinking do half so his stomach doesn't get hurt. That's a lot of treats. If he's gonna try them all.
No, he's gonna try just one.
Oh, just one?
I ain't gonna cause animal abuse or... Look. Ah. Alright.
Okay.
Ah! The first half he took down. How's the other half?
The remnant.
And there's a little bit on the floor.
Is that good, buddy?
Is it good?
Tell the audience.
How does it taste? What do you think? Okay, well... Smell it. No, smell it. See.
Oh, it smells like marshmallows.
It smells like it. It actually has a marshmallow taste too.
That's a dog treat.
That's biscuit.
Biscuit.
Marshmallow flavored biscuits.
I mean, technically, all animal like food has to be human grade.
Those of you that are gonna get sensitive, I wasn't gonna swallow it. So no. Fine, have the other half. It was mine anyway. All right. Well, that's it for this year's Peep Show 6, and I think Buddy approves of these.
Yes.
So I don't know that this is my
spit up.
Spit up. You can't eat this. You cannot eat it. So, what did you think of it?
Give it to me.
All right. Well, happy Easter, everyone.
Happy wave, buddy.
Wave. You wave. Home. Give me the treats.
Say happy Easter.
Watch this. I thought he was gonna dive. Oh, there we go.
There. Oh,
I went on the table. All right, everyone. Well, have a happy Easter from Giggles and Gloomy and Buddy, and we'll see you soon. No, you can't have my regurgitated dog treat.
happy Easter.
Bye.
Bye.